In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font in your Shopify checkout. This includes changing font for the headings and the body text. So first of all, let's log in Shopify admin account and then select settings and then click on checkout. Then at the very top under the configurations, look for your checkout configuration and then select customize. Then on the left under settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and there should be a typography section right here. Let's start off by changing the headings font. For that, click on the drop down. And as you can see, there's a whole range of available fonts. I'm going to pick Open Sans font. Let's set it. And as you can see, it will affect sections such as contact, delivery, shipping method, payment, a tip, and so on. Now let's repeat the same process by changing the body font. Once again, click on drop down. In this case, I'll change it to Open Sans, but it's going to be Open Sans Condensed. As you can notice, it changed the font and field labels like email, country, first name, last name, as well as the order summary. It changed the font of the product name, subtotal, shipping, estimated taxes, and total. So go ahead and pick whichever fonts you like, and then make sure to save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Now let me go ahead and open the checkout page in a separate tab. And as you can see, here's the updated font in checkout. It looks much different than the default one right here. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.